Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 and today I would like to show you how you can add a picture to text message on this device. First of all, open Messages app and tap on one of your chats. When you're ready, tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner. Click on Gallery section and select all of your photos that you wish to add by tapping on the chosen ones. If you wish to, you can also go into Gallery section, hold your photos over here or click on them and tap on Done. So when I do that, as you can see, my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!